Homes and other buildings can have shiny surfaces like windows and mirrors that can get dirty with smudges that look like this. Today we're going to talk about how to clean them off. To get started, we're going to check our cleaning cabinet and look for our glass cleaner. It comes in a spray bottle and it has a blue liquid. Do you see it? There it is. Now that we found it, we can take it out. While using our spray, we'll need a paper towel to wipe things off. Which one of these is a paper towel? Yes, found it. Go ahead and get one paper towel. Alrighty, let's start with this mirror. Grab your glass cleaner and spray on the surface of the mirror, about 4 times. Use the paper towel to wipe down the top, and then the middle, and last the bottom. Let's follow the same steps to clean a window this time. We'll start by spraying the window with glass cleaner a few times. Wipe down the top, and then the middle. The very last is the bottom. And that's it. Thanks for cleaning windows and mirrors with me. Now you can try it at your house.